Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best pasta makers. So let's get started. Number 7. KitchenAid KSMPRA. If you already own a KitchenAid stand mixer, this attachment set is an easy answer for homemade pasta. This set makes your stand mixer extremely versatile. Use the mixer to whip up the homemade pasta dough, and then use the pasta attachments to roll the dough thin and cut it into noodles. The set comes with a 6-inch roller that produces flat sheets of pasta that can be used to make lasagna, or you can cut or form the sheets into other shapes by hand. It also comes with 2 cutters for slicing the dough into strips of spaghetti or fettuccine. Cutters for other shapes, including a ravioli attachment, are available separately. Attaching the roller and cutters to the stand mixer is more difficult than using a traditional, hand-cranked pasta maker, but you'll gain the flexibility of having both hands free to feed the pasta with one hand and catch with the other while the mixer's motor does all the cranking for you. Number 6. MARCATO Design Atlas 150. This popular manual pasta machine is from an Italian company that has been crafting them for generations. It's made from sleek, chrome-plated steel, features a removable crank handle that makes storage easier, and is also available in 6 stylish colors, including red, green, and rose gold. Beyond its looks, it performs exceptionally well. You can roll sheets of dough to 10 different thicknesses, and the included dual-sided attachment cleanly cuts either fettuccine or tagliatelle. These rollers are designed to produce pasta with a rough surface, which holds sauce better than smooth-surfaced noodles. Besides the cutter that comes with the machine, there are 12 more blade options available for purchase if you want additional pasta shapes, including spaghetti and ravioli. Number 5. Philips Kitchen HR2357. If you want homemade pasta with minimal effort, this electric model is the way to go. All you have to do is measure the flour and water for either a single or double batch of pasta, throw the ingredients into the machine, and watch while it takes over. It automatically mixes and kneads the dough and extrudes it through one of the included dies to make your choice of spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna, or tube-shaped penne. Our product tester gave this pasta maker a glowing review for its simple and speedy operation. The included plastic scraper makes cutting the pasta into your desired length as it comes out of the machine fun and easy. Number 4. OxGord Pasta Maker Machine. If you aren't ready to invest in a pricey pasta maker, we recommend the budget-friendly OxGord pasta maker as it packs plenty of value. It's affordable, easy to use, and simple to clean, making it a great entry point for homemade pasta. Made from stainless steel, this manual machine comes with 3 roller and blade attachments that let you create flat sheets of pasta in 9 different thicknesses, as well as fettuccine and spaghetti. The wooden handle can be removed for easier storage. While the base features pre-drilled holes for clamping it to a work surface, the included clamp doesn't fit around some countertops, and our product tester found the machine a little wobbly during use. Number 3. MARCATO Atlas 150 Machine. True, you don't necessarily need a super sexy-looking pasta maker. But then again, why not invest in a kitchen appliance that truly sparks joy? Especially if the most eye-catching option also happens to make incredible fresh pasta. MARCATO's 8334 model comes in an assortment of matte colors, from red to yellow to bright pink. The machine has the same attachment options as the silver original, which are sold separately. It's also just as easy to use and, perhaps most importantly, to clean. Cleanup is effortless, said one reviewer, who also calls the MARCATO 8334 a versatile little workhouse. If you're going to keep the pasta maker out on your kitchen shelves or counter, consider the 8334. And one thing's for sure, a machine this beautiful is sure to lead to more impromptu homemade pasta nights. Number 2. Pasta Maker Machine Hand Crank. Want to dip a toe into the world of homemade pasta making without shelling out a ton of dough? The OxGord pasta maker might be right up your alley. The machine costs about as much as one pasta dish at a fancy restaurant, but opens a whole new noodle world. It features stainless steel rollers and blades, which let you adjust to 9 different thicknesses while you roll the dough, and comes with 3 blades so you can make different styles of noodles, spaghetti, linguine, ravioli, right off the bat. It's also designed so it can be mounted to countertops and has a removable crank handle for easy storage. Hundreds of Amazon reviewers agree that the OxGord is a great bang for the buck, making it ideal for the homemade pasta novice. Number 1. Philips Kitchen Appliances. Not every pasta maker is small kitchen approved. If you're looking to dabble in at-home pasta making without crowding your counter, you'll need a reliable, easy to navigate, and reasonably petite machine like the Philips Compact Pasta Maker. Handling everything from kneading to extruding, the electric pasta machine takes the guesswork out of pasta making and creates perfect spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine noodles in just 18 minutes. It's also equipped with unique shaping discs that ensure uniform consistency and texture, and its compact design doesn't monopolize counter space. The pasta maker has hundreds of glowing reviews from Amazon shoppers. Some reviewers noted that it may take a couple of tries to perfect your water-to-flour ratio, but assured that it's worth it in the end.